In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install IPVanish on a Samsung TV. So first of all, you need to head over to a browser onto your TV. So since all smart TVs are working the same, we have Google supported Android services and everything. So what we need to do is first head over to your app section, and from there you can see we have these TV services available. If you scroll through their landing page, you will be able to see that we do have it for different type of TVs and everything. So let's just say you are trying to install it onto your Android TV. You can simply install a TV VPN. So you can click on any of these. Like for example, we have Apple TV here, right? And below you can see it is going to be providing you the services for your Android TV as well. So yeah, these are all the reasons that you can get. Now to get it onto your simple TV, you can head over to apps and the streaming devices. So let's just say you have any of the TV, you can use the IP vanish for your TV in general. It is gonna be working for every server streaming device. You can see streaming devices. We have Chromecast on 4K. So a lot of Samsung devices do have these apps that you can install IPVanish with. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.